Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I wanted to show you two dies from Andy's store. And this is the die is the gift card holder. And it's so easy to put together. You get the piece that goes in the back, the piece that goes in the front, that folds, and then this is a decorative piece. So basically, this is what the, oops, my card fell. So this is what it looks like. I just decorated the front, really simple and cute. This little rosette and the little girl is from my friend Amy. I think came out so cute. So then when you open it, it looks like that. You see? And then this is the part where you just put your gift card in those two little slots. Right there. Hold on, I'm trying to do this. I'm looking at my phone. Okay. And that's what it looks like. Isn't it cute? So easy to put together. You see, that's that piece right there. Right here. And then this is a stamp from my stash. It says, one of the secrets of a happy life is continuous small treats. Yep, got that right. And then it just folds flat. So it's not that bulky. It's a little bulky because I added those little pearls. But isn't it cute? Look at that. Like, this is definitely a cute die. I like this one. So I got that. Also, this little doily part is also from his stash, which is this one here. And I used the word happy, which is right there. Cuts out perfectly. This doily is gorgeous. That one comes with 3 other layers. I did not use that for this project. But yeah, this is my little gift card holder. Super cute. Then while I was at it, I made some embellishments. So just show you real quick. Really cute. So I made those. And then these. Just to have handy when I need it for other projects. And that's it. These were super cute and easy to make. Alright guys, I'll work on some more projects and then I'll be back later. Bye.